Now we are going to complete exercises of chapter number 13, Children at Work. Comprehension A. Complete the flowchart with the events in the story in the order in which they occur. First, Velu arrived at Chennai Central. Second, he sat on a bench to rest. Third, a girl around his own age saw him sitting dejectedly on the platform. Fourth, she offered to find him some food. Fifth, Velu, scared at first, refused her help. Then, sixth, she started walking away from Velu as he hurried after her. Then, seventh, they walked out of the railway station past big buildings till they reached a wedding hall. Then, eighth, the girl gave him some food that she found in dump near the wedding hall. Velu was not happy about eating food from a dump, but the girl told him that that was all he would get. Velu reluctantly ate his share of food. Then ninth. From there, Jaya took him to a bridge with a trickle of dirty water running under it. There from a ramshackle means temporary house, she picked up two sacks and handed one over to Velu. The two had to go pick garbage that could be recycled. Velu decided to work with Jaya until he found a new job. Then B. Answer the questions briefly. First question. How was Velu feeling when he arrived at Chennai Central? Answer is Velu was scared and hungry when he arrived at Chennai Central. Second question. Who did Velu meet at the railway station? Velu met a girl of about his age at the railway station. Then third question. Why did Velu decide to follow the girl? Velu was hungry and felt lost in the big city. The girl seemed to be the only friendly person in the city, so he decided to follow her. Then question 4. Where did the girl take Velu at first? Answer. The girl took Velu out of the railway station and to a wedding hall. Then fifth question. Where did the girl finally take Velu to? And answer is the girl finally took Velu to her makeshift house. Makeshift house means temporary houses, which was located close to Buckingham Canal. Then question number 6. Why do you think Jaya gave Velu a stick and a pair of shoes? Jaya gave Velu a stick and a pair of shoes to help him walk in the garbage dumps with a little protection for his feet and to sort through the rubbish. Rubbish means जो discarded material रहता है जो हम फेंक देते हैं उसे कहते हैं rubbish. Then seventh. Who is Jambazar Jaggu and what does he do? The Jambazar Jaggu is a person who buys recyclable waste from rag pickers and takes them to companies for recycling or resells them. He is also Jaya's employer. Then C. Think and answer the questions. First question. Velu plans to be a rag picker until he gets a new job. Do you think Velu will get a new job? Give reasons for your answer. And answer is no. Velu will become one of the many rag picking children who live in the city. This is because he does not have an education and no relatives or friends who could find him a better job. Then, second question. What do you think were Velu's fears when he arrived in the new city? And answer is Velu feared that he would be hurt by someone. He also worried that he would go hungry because he had no money. He did not know where he could sleep either, as he knew no one in the city. Then, third question. Jaya proudly says that she eats only untouched food, though it is from the dustbin. Share your thoughts on how her idea of hygiene and safety is different from yours. Jaya, a mere child, has been born into poverty or lived in it for so long that she does not understand that it is unhygienic to take food out of the dustbin. She thinks that untouched food is better than food that has been partially consumed, showing that she has some concern for her health. Her idea of hygiene is different from mine because I would not eat anything from dustbin as it is already dirty and contaminated. Then fourth question. Jaya, a little girl herself. Jaya, a little girl herself, decides to share her food and work with Velu. What does this tell you about her? Jaya, who has probably known hunger more than Velu, understands what it is like to be hungry and alone. In her own way, she looks out for Velu by sharing the meager food she has with him. This shows that she is caring and compassionate. She is also receptive to the feelings of others.